Hello everybody. The purpose of this video is to show you the enhancements we made for foster care programs in regards to parent details in the licensing homepage. And we're going to start with parent details. We've done a couple things on parent details. First of all, we've kind of highlighted any expandable collapsible regions on these bars. We kind of highlighted this light blue box around them just to kind of draw your eyes to the fact that there's something going on with that box. It simply means it's an expandable collapsible region. So the first thing I want to cover on the enhancements to foster parents is the education level. We added a field to the parent details where you can pick what is the highest education level that parent had reached. The values for this drop down are controlled on the table maintenance page. This is found under system maintenance, table maintenance. And it's the bottom link here, education level lookup. It's like we have this value called tests. If you don't want to show that anymore, just hit a date, hit save, and it won't show up anymore. If you want to add a new one, put a start date, and you want to make sure you go back far enough and add what that title is, hit add, and it'll jump up and you'll have a new value there. So I ended tests yesterday, so if I refresh this page and come back here and look at this, now you won't see tests there. Same way, if I was to add a test one starting today, then you would see it show up. So that's the education level. The second part under parent details is employment. We've added a whole nother section under the list of stuff under the parent's name, and one of them is called employment. So you can set up a job history. You can set up jobs. You can sit here and you can add a new job and hit save, fill out the information, hit save, and then the system will keep track of these. So let's look at this. This is the first job that was entered for this parent. It started on January 1st of 2006 and ended May 31st, 2007. He worked for ASI where he's vice president at this address, so on and so forth. And then, starting on June 1st, he became a janitor at Acme, and he's there presently, and it shows some other information there about the job. Both this and the education level, we have the ability to show those values in other places in regards to parents and homes. So keep that in mind if you have some kind of parent requirement or home requirement. You need to see those things that you put in for employment or education level on those requirements. We can actually pull those to those requirements. The last thing I want to show you in this video is we made a change to the licensing homepage. It's a very simple change, but it's one for you multi-office locations that's very, very beneficial. We added a way for you to switch between branch offices, and that's right up in here. I default to the Dayton branch, so if I was covering a Canton for the Canton licensing specialist, then I could pick Canton, hit go, and now I can look at the Canton stuff. Now, some of the things you'll see in this is obviously all the branch names, but then you can also do all, and there'd be all of them, or you can look at a state at a time. So Kentucky, Ohio, I don't think I have any Virginia stuff in here, but so that is the change to the licensing homepage. That covers everything I want to cover on this video, so thank you for your time.